Every day in the U.S., over 100 people are killed in car accidents. And as a father, I want to know that my family is safe every time they get into a vehicle. Now, I don't like to think about the worst that can happen, but it's essential that we're prepared for it. A buddy of mine who's a firefighter always tells me that in an emergency situation, it's just a few seconds that makes the difference between life and death. And he also told me about this really cool little gadget. If you always have this in the car, it could save your life. Now, it may look like a simple charger, but that's kind of the beauty of it. It's always going to be right here when you need it. And the amazing thing about it is there's 7 emergency features built into this thing. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So imagine that you're in a car accident and your engine's on fire. What do? I mean, you got to get out fast, right? You reach down, your seatbelt's jammed. Well, what do? Luckily, you have this little guy to grab. It's got a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter built in. Now, obviously, as you can see here, I've staged the seatbelt. I did this just so I could show you how our little buddy right here can slice through the seatbelt just like a hot knife through butter. Imagine a nightmare scenario. Your car is submerged in water and you can't open the doors to break free. Right here at the end is a spring-loaded tip that works as a window breaker. A quick thrust will shatter almost any glass instantly, and you don't need big muscles to make it work. It's incredibly easy. But of course, please don't try this at home. Now let's just say that you're in a minor accident, but you're stranded somewhere at night. You've got this powerful flashlight on the end that you can use to check your engine for any problems, maybe change a tire, walk to safety. There's also the SOS Beacon. Cars can clearly see this from hundreds of yards away. And then there is the safety siren on the back side. You flip that on, it'll definitely get people's attention. There you have it. When you plug it in, it's actually charging a portable battery for your phone. So, in the event that your phone runs out of juice when you really need it, the charging bank on this little device will take it right back up to 100%. Another cool thing is you can take this wherever you need to go. And another cool feature is you just put it right back into the car power outlet and it becomes an everyday USB car charger. Pretty cool. With all the things that this little guy can do, it's pretty obvious that everyone needs one of these in the car. And by the way, it's called React. And I've purchased one of these for every member of my family. I hope you'll do the same for yours.
During an emergency, every second counts. You need a tool that can keep you safe. Introducing React by ChargeHub, a 7-in-1 emergency tool that does it all. Get free from a caught seatbelt with the razor-sharp seatbelt cutter, and break through your window to safety with the steel-tip window breaker. React is perfect for nighttime emergencies with an ultra-bright LED flashlight and Strobing SOS Beacon. Flag down help from afar with the long-range safety siren built in, and call for help without worrying about phone battery life with built-in power bank with smart speed technology. When not in an emergency, the React acts as a USB charger and plugs into a cigarette lighter, so it can be within arm's reach at all times. Be prepared for whatever life throws at you with React by ChargeHub.